Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your location on WhatsApp application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to share your location on WhatsApp, firstly open your WhatsApp application. The message section will appear on the screen. Select the contact you want to share your location. Now, tap on Attach File option right next to camera icon. Among all the options displayed, click on Location. Turn on your location, then share your current location. You can also share your live location if you want to. This is how you can share your location on your WhatsApp application. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.